If you're facing billing issues with Bank of America, it's important to address them promptly. This guide will walk you through the steps to resolve these problems effectively. Step 1. Review your statement. Take a close look at your billing statement to identify any discrepancies. Check for unauthorized transactions, incorrect charges, or any fees that you do not recognize. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents related to the billing issue. This may include previous statements, receipts, and any correspondence you've had with Bank of America regarding the issue. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service number. Be prepared to provide your account information and details about the billing issue. Explain your situation clearly and ask for assistance. Step 4. Follow up in writing. If the issue is not resolved over the phone, send a written complaint to Bank of America's customer service. Include all relevant details and documentation. Keep a copy of your correspondence for your records. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If you still do not receive a satisfactory resolution, consider escalating the issue. You can ask to speak with a supervisor or file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau CFPB for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems you may encounter with Bank of America. Remember to stay organized and persistent throughout the process.